It had been raining all yesterday and all this morning. It's just turned 12 a.m. midday. The sun was shining. I decided it was time to go for a ride. It's cold, but the sun is shining. A good time to ride. It's the first time this season, now that the weather's colder, that I'm wearing my thermal base layers. A base layer on my legs and a base layer on my torso. And this is to ensure that I don't get too cold. Alright, so we are the 15th of November 2020. It's Sunday. It's been raining all morning. I'm in England. I was going to go riding with my brother, but due to the weather, it didn't happen. But now I'm just going to go ride by myself towards Bury St Edmonds on the back roads, or on my BMW 1250 RT. Almost fell off it then. The sun is shining. It isn't very warm. Indicated on my motorcycle here, it says 52 degrees. So that's less than 10 degrees Fahrenheit, centigrade. So it's going to be a chilly run. I'm still running in my new back tyre. So I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go down to Fordham and Chippenham. Close my visor. My glasses will probably steam up now. But the sun is shining and it's not raining. Which says Bury St Edmonds. This is the back way to Bury St Edmonds. The beautiful English autumn and the sunshine, but there's leaves everywhere. When I have traction control, ABS, everything I need to keep me safe. I have a red light ahead of me. Weak bridge. And you go to the left. Yep. And to the left. And some of my vents. Kentford. Village Green. Well, that must be something to do with horses. Okay, so now we're on
a dual carriageway. Oh no, single carriageway. Now 70 miles an hour. I believe this is the A11. No, it's the A14. Through the historic centre of Bury St Edmonds. Not 100% sure where I'm going. I took a wrong turn, but that's okay. It's not a very big place. Going to the historic district of Bury St Edmonds. This is passing the cathedral. I'm going to go up here, I'm going to turn around and go back the way I came. Cobbled streets, gotta love cobbled streets. It was the summer I came up here last time. It's certainly the winter now. Beer cafe. That's interesting. So I just turned around and you see I passed this going the other way. It's quite a torturous route, especially when you don't know where you're going. There's a lot of people around, considering we're on lockdown, and the cafes are open. As you can see, they're open, but you can't go inside. You go inside to order, then you have to sit outside to consume. I think that was Pikey's. Northgate Street. That's the north gate of the old city wall. Oh, nice back road. There's no villages here for a while, so I can push on a little bit. Some nice long sweeping roads. Certainly pushing on this car. Must be enjoying himself. Oh yeah, I've got my windscreen down, haven't I? That's why it's windy. It sounds windier than it normally does. Put it up a little bit. Yeah, get some of the noise out of my ears. See, bendy road. I do like a bit of a bendy road.